Hope I didn't leave out any of our foreign delegates, foreign friends. I'd like to especially also greet the members of the diplomatic corps present, particularly my good friend, His Excellency Ambassador Ryu Yamasaki of Japan. Outstreams so that the Supreme Court of the Philippines may be able to construct the Philippine Judicial Academy in Tagaytay. Domo arigato, Ambassador Yamasaki. My colleagues in the Supreme Court have been introduced earlier, but I'd like to reintroduce them because of something special for each of them. Well, you've met the most senior of them, Justice Leo Quisumbing, my friend over 25 years ago, and a leading member of ALA Philippines. Then we have Justice Antonio T. Carpio, the youngest member of the Supreme Court. And his wife, Ruth. By the way, Ruth has dual citizenship. She's a Filipina and a Vietnamese. So she's Asean. Justice Carpio is a member of the leading member of ALA, and he will have more than 13 more years in the Supreme Court of the Philippines. He will have almost as many years as you, Justice Chao. Then we have the most popular at the moment, at least, member of the Philippine Supreme Court, Justice Conchita Carpio Morales. Why is she the most popular? Because she wrote the decision declaring unconstitutional the major parts of Executive Order 464. Then we have probably the most versatile of our... Oh, he has left. So I should not talk about him. Justice Ting has left. Well, the newest member of the Supreme Court of the Philippines, Justice Presby Velasco. The other members of the judiciary present have been introduced earlier. So I'll move on to a few others that I would like to greet. The noisiest table here is that one of the Rotary Club of Manila. Over there. There also, the Rotary Club table is composed of lawyers. And there are two very important lawyers in that table. One is the lawyer of the first family, Attorney Jess Santos. The other one is the lawyer of the opposition, Attorney Dog Saludo. What is the similarity between Attorney Saludo and Attorney Santos? Well, both of them won recently their personal cases in the Supreme Court of the Philippines. And what's the difference between the two of them? Well, Attorney Saludo, Dong Saludo we call him, won 2 cases recently, and Attorney Santos won only 1. But who's the better of the two? At least from Rotary's point of view, is Attorney Santos because he won 5 times more money than Saludo. I'd like to assure you, however, that it is purely coincidental that they won their cases during my term as Chief Justice. But I'd like now to greet especially people close to my heart. The host of the golf tournament this morning, Boy and Yoli Reyno. They're really family because in our extended family, we call them our, what's it called that in English? In English, balaes, in Tagalog. In-laws, extended in-laws. Because they're the in-laws of my in-laws. That's why their son, King Reyno, whose son here, is married to Vicky Morales Reyno, probably the most popular and most prominent lady newscaster in the Philippines. Vicky Morales Reyno. The father is called boy, and the son is called king. Only in the Philippines can you have that. But our commonality is really the mother and father of Vicky Morales, Dr. and Mrs. Morales, Lou Morales. The cardiologist of Lenny Panganiban. Dr. Morales is director of Manila Doctors Hospital, a very well-known cardiologist. I'd like to greet, of course, all the lawyers here, the compañeros and compañeras. But I'd like to especially cite two ladies, two bar top-notchers. January Sanchez, first place in the bar examination of 2 years ago. January is still here. And the bar top-notcher of this year, Joan de Venecia. She has also left. I was going to say that Ade Cruz wanted to bring his compatriots because Ade was also first place in the bar examination of the year we would not anymore remember. Well, I've written a 50-page speech. But because you are a good audience, I will read only 49 pages.